Hey guys, here's the video that we've all been waiting for, the knotless box braids. These braids were super easy to do, and I'll show you how I did them. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So I did start braiding my hair off camera only because I wasn't sure how it would turn out. So once I got the hang of it, I was like, oh, let me record it. So I'm gonna break the hair into three equal parts. Or try to make it 3 equal parts. And then I'm gonna braid it, I think 3 times. So that was 1, 2, and then 3. And then you stop. And that's when you begin to add the hair. As you can see, each time I'm adding a piece of hair, I'll braid it 2 times. And then I'll add the next piece. And then I'll also do that 2 times. And I'm only adding 3 pieces to each section. Also, being that my hair is like a complete different texture from the hair that I'm using to braid with, I'm just going to add edge control to the ends of my hair because it's not going to blend without edge control.
Yeah.
So when I add the hair, one side of the extensions will go to the middle strand of my natural hair and the other side will go to the far right of my natural hair.
Yeah.
know it might look a little confusing of the technique that I'm doing because I'm looking at the video and I'm like, okay, this doesn't make sense. So I'm just gonna try to slow it down a little bit and hopefully you guys see how I did it.